The next stretch I'm going to demonstrate is one that's going to help you stretch out the plantar fascia of your foot and the muscles located in that area that are known as the foot flexor muscles. They are really well known by runners because one of the things that happens, unfortunately, with runners is that they could suffer from plantar fasciitis from a lot of running. What I'm going to teach you is not a cure for plantar fasciitis. Oh, no, 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 no. But remember, taking care of any part of your body is going to allow you to recover faster so you can train sooner, and it's going to help reduce your chances of injury. I mean, nothing's perfect. You can't just avoid injury, but you can reduce your chances. So learn this technique. Commit to doing it a few times a week after a run or anything that involves your feet a lot so you can recover faster and stay healthier for longer. And that's just something we all want to do, isn't it? Stay healthy for longer. If you want to learn more about plantar fasciitis, because I know there's quite a few runners that watch the channel, make sure you subscribe because I see a lot of you are not subscribed just yet. And I'll make a video at some point about it, so you'll get that alert as long as you hit that notification button as well. Now, just like how I'm going to show you the calf stretch, what you're going to need is you're going to need a wall to perform this particular technique. And I want you to have your shoes off for this one. This one, it's important to have the shoes off. You do not have to have your socks on like the way I'm going to have for this example, but that's all up to you. I just don't want you to have a shoe on. So now what we're going to do from this point is we're going to begin to approach that wall, and then we'll step towards the wall. We'll put our toes pointing up against the wall and try to get our midfoot and our heel to make contact with the floor. Your toes will point up. They'll be hopefully pointing towards the ceiling unless you're really tight. You'll hold and you'll breathe, 30, 60 seconds. Then after that, you release. You switch off to the other foot. Toes point up, and you see my toes are a little high, so I brought it down so the midfoot could make contact with the floor, not the arch, but just the other side, the lateral or the outside part of the foot, as they say. Hold and breathe, 30 to 60 seconds, and once you're done, you can step off. And that is how you stretch out your foot flexor muscles.